In this video, I'm going to show you how to curve or bend some of your text. So let's say you want to write the word basketball over this basketball here. So what you're going to want to do is go to your type tool over here. You're going to want to just type in the word basketball, nothing really crazy, and hit enter or OK. And then you can kind of place it in place here. So to curve it, what you're going to want to do is go back over to the type tool, have the layer selected, and go up to the top where it says here to warp your text. So basically what this is going to do is it's going to cause your text to arc, to really anything that you want to have happen to it. You can have plenty of options here. So for this example, I'm just going to choose an arc, and then from this point you can really decide how much it can arc or bend or anything that you really want it to do. You can have it go horizontal, you can have it go vertical, anything that you really want to make it as customizable as you want it to be. And then you can adjust the size like you normally would for anything else. And there you have it. This way you can really kind of warp your text, make it custom. I mean, this is a bad example because it kind of looks bad. But that is how you curve and bend your text in Photoshop. Hope it helps.